Check out this 2010 BMW 3 Series Coupe. 6-speed Steptronic automatic transmission. Includes 6-speed automatic transmission with adaptive transmission control and Steptronic features. Steptronic allows the driver to choose between auto manual or full automatic shift modes. Navigation system includes a hard drive-based navigation system, real-time traffic information, voice activation capability. The 8GB hard drive can store destinations as well as music and can allow transfers of material from a CD, MP3 player or USB stick to the hard drive, satellite radio, iPod and USB adapter, when connected. The special internet price is $34,888. Contact the dealership today at 866-392-7722.